What's up, Wild One Studios fam? Want to hear your music in commercials, TV shows, or movies? Today I'm sharing how sync licensing actually works and how you can make it happen. Hit subscribe to never miss a career-changing music business tip. Sync licensing, short for synchronization, is the process of licensing your music to pair with visual media like TV, films, ads, or video games. It requires clearing both master rights, the recording, and publishing rights, the songwriting composition. Without both, the placement can't happen. Sync placements can be lucrative and powerful for exposure. Indie artists often see huge streaming boosts, fan discovery, and legit branding opportunities. The industry saw record sync royalty growth in 2022. Legendary placements like Kate Bush's Running Up That Hill exploded thanks to being featured on Stranger Things. Music supervisors, they pick the music for visual media, working with producers to match the mood and legal clearances. They ensure scenes get the right songs and handle licensing details. Sync agents and licensing companies, they act as middlemen who present cleared, ready-to-use music to supervisors. They handle rights management, metadata, and negotiations, making it easy for supervisors to say yes. Own or control your rights. It's being a one-stop owner, i.e. owning both master and publishing, makes it much easier for sync placements to happen. Make your music sync-ready. Produce polished tracks, include instrumentals or shorter edits, and deliver them in broadcast-quality formats like WAV or AIF. Include clear metadata. Supervisors can't use badly formatted or unclear files. Direct pitching. Some music supervisors avoid unsolicited submissions. But if you do pitch, keep emails brief, add sounds like references for context, and include instrumental versions. Work with sync agents or music libraries. These professionals already have connections and will pitch your music for you. Using reputable libraries can also increase your chance of getting heard. Sync income varies by project type. For indie artists, upfront sync fees typically break down as follows. Ads: $20,000 to $550,000 plus. Films, trailers, $10,000 to $80,000. TV shows, $500 to $20,000. And video games, $2,000 to $10,000. Plus, you may collect performance royalties afterward, especially if your music airs publicly. So here's your action plan. Ensure you control both master and publishing rights. Make your tracks sync-ready with clean metadata and pitch with strategy, ideally via sync agents or trusted libraries. Sync placements can transform your career. Don't sleep on this. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to Wild One Studios, and comment what kind of media you want your music in next.